This is Abhinandan on 24th January. This is in one of the street I stay here in a hotel. I thought I'll record further down where I get the main road, but I thought there's a nice building. Yesterday I've already made a video, okay, of the obelisks, which is the famous landmark of Buenos Aires. Very famous landmark it is. Now, yesterday I walked a lot. Maybe this is Abhinandan. Okay. So yesterday I walked a lot going. I came but around 3 p.m. Put my baggage in the hotel. And Abhinandan has a unique ability of entering a country with no money. With no money cash carrying. I will have crypto, digital asset in my mobile. So I went over there to the hotel. I told I could not exchange in Santa Cruz. Now I want to go to a crypto exchange. Here I'll keep my baggage. That was fine. And then I went, it was already 5 o'clock. By the time one closed at 5 o'clock, one closed at 5:30, one closed at 6 o'clock, one closed at 6:30. By the time I was reaching one place, half an hour walk, they are closing. So today I'm going to a different one, another two, and somehow closed today on Saturdays. Let me see, it is red sign, huh? Let me go off. Okay, see the road, very beautiful, very nice. I am somewhere right now, but yesterday I'm going to the street, walking street. It became after 7 p.m. All European people, these are all mostly European descent only. Okay, very nice. I'll reach over there in a minute, wait. Little more recording before I go to the main road. I think on Saturday it is all little empty. And yesterday I walked probably more than 12 kilometers I walked. And finally I could not exchange. Okay, I came to the hotel. I blasted them. Why you don't have online payment? Why you don't have a QR code to make a payment? Why you're not accepting crypto? And I told them, see what and all apps you have in Argentina where you can convert your pesos to crypto. I gave them some lemon.com. You can just look at it. Let me go to the main road still. See, there's a Scientology office here. Dianetica. I'll go over there later. Okay. This is where Tom Cruise is a member. I'll go check it out what it is. So this is actually not the main road. The world famous Argentinian road is full down here. You cannot see that oblique. I've already done the video. I'll edit it today after I get my crypto exchanged. About $300 I'm taking out USDT because every day rent here for 1 week is $30. After that I look for a room for a monthly payment, okay, which will be more reasonable. Now I remember this place was a Starbucks, Burger King. Yesterday I got confused. Okay, so I'm going to stop right now. Abhinandan here. At this, I'll be going later down. Okay, I've already gone many times, and it was something very interesting life over here. And you know what? A lot of things to explore. Since there is a crypto exchange here, it is a good advantage for me, and I will make the best use of it. And a lot of people are crypto fans over here. So this is a totally different world. And now let me stop for a minute and then I will record once again. Abhinandan here. What I see is everyone have built a 7th floor, 10th floor houses for rental. And here you have seminar place, co-working, event, master classes, seminars at this place, hotel, Blank Hotel. Blank Hotel. Now, if you just notice, every houses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, every building like this. You know why? Nice rental income they'll get. Rents are very expensive in the downtown area. Okay, outskirts it's maybe little reasonable. See, vendor means for sale. Okay, so it's very nice. I'm the only bloody fellow walking on the center of the street to record. With all audacity. See, every houses I'm seeing, all like, you know, in Mumbai, expensive places, all 5 floor, 6 floor, 7 floor for rental. Mostly I see European people only. All these people are mostly Europeans only who came that time, 1920s, 30s and all. Of course, there will be on some street vendors and all who may be from Venezuela, Bolivia, Peru and all. But you see the building, everyone, they don't have to work now, that is for sale. Venta. They don't have to work now. You know why? Rental income will come. They'll enjoy their life and die. Okay. So, anyhow, let me go further and just notice this. So what you will learn from Abhinandan, when you start with 5,100 rupees, $55, and you should be ready to work, ready to learn first, ready to... All the Chinese people, they're taking photos. Okay, I'll do all my photo entertainment later, but I'm telling for those of you who are watching this, if you act like you did not listen, who is cheating you? You are cheating yourself. Okay, when there are like people like Tony Robbins, he sells his program for $1 now. It's an introductory program. One is coming right now, Rise to Summit. A person like Tony Robbins today is selling for $1. Abhinandan sells for $3. His introduction. Okay, I do not want to waste time with useless people who want to know what it is and they won't respond after that. In India, you have huge category of those people. They just want to know what it is. It is like intellectual masturbation. Now some people will say, why you are talking like this, Abhinandan? I used to talk like this in live seminar in Bangalore. Live seminar in front of 200 people with more than sometimes Muslim lady sitting over there also. And a Muslim lady once responded. She responded saying, we know what it is. I asked people, define to me what is masturbation. Because I have to explain to them what is intellectual masturbation. So many people's life is like intellectual masturbation. They read a lot, they post a lot of positive messages on Facebook. I get inspired, like one trainer Wilford Stanley, like Amir Khan, okay, like Manjunath Annaya, and a lot of other people. When I find them, they don't know how to ask intelligent question. They are useless people. Now he sends me, Manjunath Annaya, you have to read a book called, How to Win Friends and Influence People. I told the joker, I have read it. You should understand the full story. Why am I saying like that? Okay. He's cheating himself, cheating me. He's telling, I don't have Binance. Now I'm collecting $52 after paying 200 rupees on the auspicious day. So like that, there are a lot of characters. I blast them. There are good people who take. Now it's here only 3-4 people in Buenos Aires. I'll show you the proof. They have told, you have given me a card. No, I want to know what it is. I sent them the image. They have told, you know what? It's very interesting. Send more details. And I'm going to send. See, accidentally I came to one place here. Seems nice. Let me look at it. So, without knowing the context, don't come to conclusion when I blast people. Okay. If that fellow Manjunath Annaya does not have the capacity to pay 5,000 rupees, he can say that I will give it. But you know one thing, for 3 days he fooled himself, saying now I'm doing it, now I'm updating. He's simply saying my Binance is blocked. Okay, a lot of nonsense is talking. And after that I did not started calling him only. I only sent my sending messages. I only sent I am leaving, I'm on my way, immigration finished, which I sent to a lot of people. That time he's sending, stupid fellow, he's sending me, you know what, a lot of people are taking photos here. Let me also take a photo. Sending me a message. You should read the book called Think and Grow Rich. I told him, moron, that is the first book I read in my life when I was 18 years. I know to whom to talk very respectfully. I am the person who use maximum please. Okay? So anyhow, let me stop the story character. Let me take some nice photos here. Tell someone to take nice photos for me. And then let me stop. This is Abhinandan here. So contact and speak to Abhinandan. Very important. Have the patience to watch video in my website or the video which I'm going to send to you. Once you watch it, then you speak to me. Okay? I don't want the memory got filled already, so I have to delete something. Before the memory gets filled up, let me take my photos. So a Brazilian couple over there who spoke good English, they took my photos with this backdrop. Okay, so Abhinandan here. So took my photos with this backdrop. I do not know what this place is yet, but a lot of foreigners are taking over here. Okay, and now money is there in my pocket. I will go around. Okay, extremely pretty looking people. You can't imagine their beauty. Okay, extremely pretty looking. Okay, now should I take one more? Okay, let me take one more finally. Nice weather it is, huh? One more set of photos done. I came to know it is a university, not some building, but I see a lot of foreigners here, a lot of people. So now I will explore the city. Once again, go to the hotel room, pay this one, and take out the memory from lots of memory storage. And people are very friendly. People are very nice. I already met one girl in the hotel who is unemployed, looking for a job, who speaks little English. Okay, I told her you have to make video calls, WhatsApp video calls. You will earn $700 per month if you are making 200 video calls per day. Inviting for the Zoom meeting. She was taking marijuana. Okay, she was selling marijuana for other guys. Really? Okay. Anyway, I'll stop right now. Contact and speak to Abhinandan is the only thing which will change your life. Only thing which will change your life will contact and speak to Abhinandan. I'm stopping right now. People are shopping here. Okay, I'll just see what it is. But I want to show something which is very famous here, and it is this particular thing. My memory in my mobile is very low. Any moment it will finish. So this is very famous here. I saw people drinking with this one. I will buy one later. But I like big ones, huh? I like the big one. They put a kind of tea leaves inside it and they drink with this. I saw people everywhere carrying this also and drinking. It's a kind of a special famous thing over here. Let me go around and see what all things are there. I don't like all these things, but I see one time. Okay, I like only electronics, gadgets, productive tools. Okay, all this is a waste of time and money, but it is big business for them. So, how much is this, sir? How much is this?
It's 50,000.
50,000 peso.
Free in Gray. In Gray, initial name free.
Oh, you put a name free also.